the defendant's motions to exclude 3 of the state's experts.
Wednesday morning, the evidentiary hearing for the state of Utah versus Kouri Richins got underway. Richins is charged with aggravated murder, 3 counts of possession with intent to distribute, amongst other charges. She's being accused of poisoning and killing her husband, Eric Richins, with fentanyl in 2022.
Ms. Amon could describe that in every targeted act of violence, and this is part of her proffer, that there is a framework, a pathway to violence that perpetrators of targeted violence follow.
Wednesday, the defense and state prosecutors first discussed what's known as pathway to violence studies.
Ms. Amon's testimony cannot be used by the state in its case in chief as substantive evidence of guilt. And even if she's called as a rebuttal expert, the state cannot refer to her expert testimony.
The defense asked to prohibit a handwriting analysis expert related to evidence around the 3 counts of forgery Richins is facing.
They're only questioning whether he initialed each and every little blank on the side, right? Of which the expert cannot say. He cannot say he didn't. He cannot say to any degree of certainty whether Kouri did.
The defendant's motion to exclude Mr. Throckmorton in his entirety as an expert witness is respectfully denied.
The defense asked to prohibit the state's expert, Dr. Sherry Venino, because her experience is with domestic abuse cases. They claim there is no evidence of abuse in Kouri and Eric's relationship.
I don't know that there's any other admissible evidence that would show that Mr. Richins knew that anybody had attempted to hurt him.
The court agreed Dr. Venino's expertise is not relevant, but
if the state in its case in chief lays a sufficient foundation for the jury to draw a non-speculative inference that Eric Richins was aware that defendant tried to hurt him on February 14, 2022, the court will revisit defendant's argument.
Jury selection has been set for February. In Salt Lake City, Avery Klanowski, Fox 13 News, Utah.
Concerned, I don't remember the exact words that he
exchange about, he says something like, I got dinner for you and left it on the seat of your car, or